This is his home, and the 22 yards, his place of worship. Every single time he walked in, all he heard was you. Each one of you. The stands chanting, the nation cheering, and the fans praying. And when a billion hopes are on you, the only way is to deliver. Crafting those cover drives, practicing the straight drive, mastering the cut, then improvising on the uppercut. He always found a way. Over the years, every single day, every match, every ball, he learned, unlearned, and relearned.
It's time to bring all of my learnings to you. Join me as I take you through the game of cricket in my new series, Cricket with Sachin, only on Unacademy. This time, it's me, Sachin Tendulkar, cheering for you. Let's crack the game.